Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this short video, we are going to see about two main obstacles for the realization of one true self. Before going into this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon near it so that you don't miss any video update. Let's get back to the topic. Two main obstacles for the ultimate realization of one true self are number 1 desire and number 2 fear. Let's see in details. Number 1 desire. Desire causes attachment. It creates likes and dislikes. So we started to attach towards a particular results and hate other result. This creates separation, and that separation causes bondage, and that bondage will prevent us from being one with our true self, because this separation enables the tendency of ego. That ego is the false self that prevent us from seeing what is the ultimate reality. Ego is the false self and it pretend to be the true. But if we are persistent and strongly follow this path of realization, we can successfully eliminate the ego and identifying our true self and being one with that self. It is only possible for the person who have successfully conquered his desires. So we have to eliminate each and every desires possible. I know it is impossible at the beginning, but one by one we can eliminate it by the grace of God and by our Guru. We can eliminate all these material desires and we can turn inward and find out our true oneself. Number 2 is the fear. Lot of people think that they are brave. They don't have any fear. But the truth is just opposite. We have been programmed to live in constant fear or uncertainty. It is so imprinted in our mind from the beginning of our human race. This fear will shift our focus from present to future. This fear makes us greedy to consume more and store more for future, and it creates the illusion of separation and also the illusion of time. Fear is also the indication that we lack trust or faith in God or with our true self. This fear will slowly eat away our whole life. We are constantly in the fear of future. What will happen next? What will happen next? Our entire life is chasing this fear. Fear of this, fear of that. We have been wasting our life. Instead of focusing our entire attention towards inner true self, we are chasing the imaginary future and started to collecting all those material things. What will happen to them? One day they will perish. We have been doing whatever we can possible to comfort this body and comfort our mind. Happen to this body will also be perish, and our mind, it is constantly swinging. We are slave to the mind because of this fear. The fear of this, fear of that, the fear of uncertainty. We started to doing lot of things. We are working 24/7 because we think that we can save lot of money and we can live later after retirement or in that imaginary future. But what happened when that time comes? We have to be shift our focus. I'm not saying we have to quit our job or we have to donate all our money. No, that is not what I meant. You have to do your duty or your prescribed work, but keep your attention inwards. Let your hands do the job. Let your focus be inward in the true self. Then all your work will be selfless. There will be no bondage. There will be no karma. There will be no rebirth. And trust God or your true self. It will take care of itself. Use this life usefully to realize who we are. Without knowing who we are and knowing everything else, what is the ultimate use of this life? We all know about everything, computer, mobile, everything. What about us? Who are we? This fast world, everyone is so busy. They don't even have the time to do simple things. Lot of people have forgotten to smile. They are so busy because of this fear. They are panicking. What will happen next? What will happen next? I have to do this. I have to do that. I wanted to be millionaire. Are we really enjoying our life? Or are we just doing something for some people and calling it as our life? Just be silent and turn inward. Be one with the true self. That is your ultimate reality. The only true happiness exists within us, not from the things that we can buy to comfort our body or mind. They will give us temporary happiness. Things we are doing for our happiness are really a happiness. Just live your life as full as possible. It is only possible when we realize who we are, what is our ultimate reality. Our body is changing constantly. Our mind is shifting from here to there. We are not this body or the minds. We are something else that is constant from the birth to our death. It is constant and everlasting. Our ultimate aim is to just be with that one. By the grace of God and our gurus, we all have able to realize the true self. So avoid this desire and fear at any cost. It is the first step towards the realization of true self. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you all once again.